How to view achievement in Horror Tale 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can look out to your achievements. First of all, open the application. Now here on the last option, simply tap on achievements. So this is the section you will be able to see the achievement and the best time. So it is a type of record or leaderboard that you can view anytime. Here you'll be able to share it with others and make or challenge them too. So this are the different collectibles or achievements that I have. Now here there are different categories that you can see also. So the best one is the better one. So try winning the game and later you'll be able to see the achievement right here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.